Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will discuss how to create a simple counter app with the help of Cubit. Here I have created this project and after that I have run the project and this is the output. Here we have two buttons, plus and minus. Whenever I will click on the plus button, then the count value should increment by 1, and whenever I will click on minus, then the count value should decrement by 1. How to achieve this with the help of Cubit, that portion I will discuss today. In the lib folder, I will create a new folder named as Cubit. Now inside this Cubit folder, I will create a file named as counterstate. Counterstate.dart. Now inside this file, I will create a class named as counterstate, and inside this class here I will declare a variable named as count. After that, I will create the constructor, and to this constructor I will use required, after that this dot count. So our state class has been created. After that I need to create the Cubit. So I will create a new file and I will give the file name as countercubit. Now inside this file I will create a class named as countercubit, which will extend Cubit, and to this Cubit here I need to specify the state. So what is the state? Counter state. After that I will use countercubit class constructor, then super, and to this super here I will initialize the counter state with the initial value as 0. Now here I need to create two functions. One function to increment the count value and another function to decrement the count value. So let me create a function named as increment, and this function will increment the count value, and to increment the count value here I will use emit. This means we need to emit a new state, and what state I will generate? I will generate counter state, and the count value here will be the current count value, that is state.count. With that I will increment its value by 1. After that I need to create one more function, that is decrement. All the code will remain same, just here instead of plus I need to use minus, because here I want to decrement the value. That's it. So we have created the counter state and the counter Cubit. Now let me move to main.dart. In the main.dart now I need to provide the Cubit to the widget tree, and to do that here we need to use block provider. So let me use block provider, and to this block provider here I need to specify the Cubit, that is counter Cubit, and it will take create context and which Cubit I want to create, the counter Cubit, and after that in the child I will use this one. So let me cut it from here, paste it, and let me put the semicolon here. So here I have created the block provider. Now here if you can see that this is the text widget which will get updated whenever the plus button will be clicked, that is increment, and the text value will decrement whenever this decrement button will be clicked. So here I will wrap this text with block builder. These things I have already discussed, wrap with block builder, and here I need to specify the Cubit name. So instead of subject block it will be counter Cubit, and it will be counter state, counter Cubit, and this will be counter state. And here instead of 0 we need to pass state dot count dot toString. Here I need to pass const, that's it. Now whenever this plus button will be clicked, at that time we need to call the increment function, and to do that, here I will write context dot read. Here we need to specify the qubit name, that is counter qubit, and after that here I will call which function? Increment function. Similarly, whenever this decrement button will be clicked, at that time again I need to call the function, but this time it will be the decrement function. Now let me save this. Let me show you the output. Now if I click on plus, then you can see the counter value is incrementing, and if I click on minus, then the counter value is decrementing. This is how we can create a simple counter qubit app. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.